A lot of people get into positions and get very comfortable. And I think it all depends on who you surround yourself around. If you're the biggest person in your circle, you'll never know that you could do more.
Yeah.
Like if everyone around you looks up to you and calls you like big bro and you're like the big homie around everyone, you got the most money, you just think, okay, this is the shit. I'm that guy. This is what it is. But if you surround yourself around people who do better than you, who motivate you, like
Right.
that's why I love being around Drake. Like
Right.
he constantly shows me like, I can do more. I can do better. There is
Yeah.
more. There is finer living. You know what I'm saying? Like, so like I never want to be like the big bro.